Grade 5. Today we are doing the practical number 2 of chapter number 6 of computers, and our chapter name is basically handling data, and our task name is use a data entry form. You already know that which software we were using. We were using the MS Access. So first of all, how you would open it, click on start, then find out the MS Office folder. I have MS Office 2013, might be you have a different one. Then click on MS Access, you have to click on it. Then you have to open the blank desktop database. Why we are doing this? As you already know that in the practical number 2 we have to find out, our objective is create a database data entry form by using the wizard to create the form. Insert the name, class, course, first assessment grade, second assessment grade, and the final grade as a field. You have to use the field, buttons, and label. Then you have to create a combo box with the data from your table. How you can do it? Let's see. This is the our access. Here is a blank database. You have to click on that. You can give any name, so I'm giving you students data form, and then click on the create one. What are the fields? As you already know, the first one is a name one, so I'm writing the name on it. It's a short text or a long text, so you have to select the long text, and the field name is basically a name. And then we have a next one is a class, so that is basically a number, so I'm writing it a class. And then what we have a course is basically a long text. You will write the subject or any names, you can say subject or a course, so I'm writing the course. And then we have first assessment grade. The grades will be in a shorter form, A B C D, so I will write the short text. इसको लिख रहे हैं फर्स्ट assessment grade. Okay, and then we have again a short text. What we have, second assessment grade. Then we can write the final assessment. This is also a short text, तो इसको रखेंगे final assessment grade. Okay, this is the done, and now I'm just letting the answer, entering the name. Let's suppose I'm entering the name of Zara. Zara is studying in grade 3, and she took in English, she took in the first assessment she took 10 marks. In this one she got 20 marks. In the final she got the 80 marks. Okay, similarly when we are creating the new one, let's see, it's Ali, and Ali done, no, same, if I'm writing the same course name, Zara, and Zara is also in the grade 3, but in Urdu she took 15, 15, and 90 marks. And again I'm writing the Zara 3 grade. In the mathematics she took 20, 20, and 95. Let's change the class. It's Ali. Ali is in grade 4. He took in English 15, 15, and 90. And Ali took is in grade 4 in Urdu. He got 13, 18 and 17. And Ali again in the grade 4, he took in mathematics, he's quite good, so he took the bang on target 100. And similarly, if we are adding the new one, let's have a Daniel. Okay, Daniel is in grade 5 in English. He took 18, 18 and 95. Let's suppose 96. Daniel in 5 Urdu grade, he took the average one. But on the final assessment, he took the more. Daniel, the 5, he's in 5 class in mathematics. He took 18, 19 and 98. Okay, so what you are doing right now is basically we are creating the table. The table, what is the table name is? The table name is students data, or you can write students. Okay, so I'm writing the students on and then press OK. How we can create the form? First of all, you have to go on the create menu, then click on the form wizard over there. When you are creating it, they are asking which table you want to ask. I said you from the students table you have to add. We already got it now. So what you want? I want the name, I want the class, I want the course, and I want the final assessment only. I don't want the first assessment and second assessment grade, so I'm leaving it. Then you have to press on the next button, which shape you would like, a column wise, tabular, data sheet. Look at this, they are basically changing the format. So I'm asking for the columnar, so I'm pressing the next, open the form to view or enter the form. Yes, so if you want to change the title of the form, you can change it. Okay, so I'm not changing it, it's still same. You have to finish it. Look at this, they are showing you something. Zara, the name of a Zara, English grade. What is this? Look at this, these are the basically a form, and the form have a some title, index. This one is basically a combo box, they're having a different names, and the subject, the codes they have. That's how you can create the form. Okay, and if you want to design more, that is the designing form. What are the field list? These are the field list. That's how you can go. Click on the menu, you can design, view the design view. And if you want to change the format of this one, no, I really don't want to big one, so I can drag it and small it. You can write the small. And if I don't want the so big, so I need to change it, so I'm changing it. And the grade, they are this quite small, so I can change into a smaller one. Okay, can you, if you want to view it, so click on this view. Form view is, look now, look at this, it's a change now. Okay, even you can click on the layout view. Layout view is look like this, the final one. Okay, even you can adjust the size, design, theme. If you want to change the theme, you can change it. Let's see, if I'm having a design view right now, a layout view, if I'm using any other one. Okay, we can change the background image. If you want to browse it, you can do it. If you want to change the font size of this one, you can change the font size. Look at this. If you want to change the style of the font, even you can do it from the font. Look at this. Okay, you got it. We can change, we can do anything, whatever you want to do. If I want to change the size of this one, look at this. If I want to change the size of this font, this one, so they are changing it. That will be in this form of a Zara, and here we have. It depends on you how you want to design it. Okay, and how can you can use each and everything. This one is basically, this is basically a text form or designing view. If you want to change it, you can change. Okay, now I will tell you how to use the controls. Look at this is a file, home, create. There is a design view. In this design view you have lots of views, form, layout. There are themes, you can change the themes. Look at this, can you see the change in the background? Yes, it can vary. This is basically a select arrow, and this is your text box. This one they are using the text box. Okay, and this is a label. What the label is doing, basically a label are making just like name. If I'm writing anything over here, so it will give you the name, heading, just like we cannot change the label. And this is a tab control, this is a button, and you have to change it. If you want to put the hyperlink in your form, you have to use this one. Similarly, I told you that you have to use the combo box. The combo box will be here. What the combo box will contain, I want a combo box to get the value from the table inquiry. Okay, so what I need, a table. You need a table from the students, that is over there. So you have to select it, what kind of a table content you want, a class one. So you have to click on next. In the ascending order you want, no, I want the descending order or ascending order, anyone if you want to use. Then click next and remember the value later. So I have to put the this one. So in the class one I will erase this one. How to select first one and then delete, and I'm deleting this one. The reason is this, I'm using the class. Click on the combo box, use the label over there. Label will be here and the label is class. Okay, I'm erasing this one. When you will click, you will see they will drag you. Even the courses are different, so I am deleting it and creating the label. First I will create the label. Sorry, it's a text or label. Yes, table will be here. It's a course, and here we have a combo. So you have to put over here. Yes, next. What we want right now. The course is not showing right now. So I will select the final assessment. Then drag it and next, and finish it. Okay. The course is not showing. Let's see why the course is not showing. We have a table, we have a course. The reason is this, in the form we didn't add the basically a table, so I have to change the fields. We have to change the property of this one. Class, that's how you can add lots of you can create the data entry form by using the wizard, and how you can take out the data from the table to create the students form. I'm waiting for your practice, so practice it and then email me. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.